I don't need time, I just need more money. Hi everyone!
I'm Edna.
And I'm Jen, and today we are at Curiosity, Science Centre's only souvenir shop.
And we are tasked to buy each other gifts with a specific budget and theme.
So, let's draw our themes first.
And now it's time for the budget.
So now that we have our theme and budget, we're all ready to go!
Yay! Wait, but who's gonna go first?
Maybe we should do a scissors, paper, stone.
Oh, okay. Alright.
Okay. Scissors, paper, stone.
Scissors, paper, stone.
Scissors, paper, stone.
Yeah!
How long do we have? 10 minutes.
10 minutes!
Not a lot of time, not a lot of time.
Ah!
You go, 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 go!
Okay, starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
Hey! Unicorns are magical as well. Wait. I see magic. Maybe I can get, oh wait, there's a wand. You know, magic, you always need to have a wand. So this will be good. How about let's get the X-ray vision. Maybe X-ray vision will help improve our eyesight. Oops. So I have 590, that will be 10, 11, 1180. Oh, it's meant to put a bird on the pig. So it just balances on itself.
And now you have 6 more minutes.
What? I have so much problem deciding, you know, what to buy. I always take a long time to shop. How about this? Will puzzle be magic as well? I mean, it's magic when you take it out, right? Oh, magic spring. You see, rainbow magic spring. There's a magic spring. Oh, perfume bomb, put. And this is only 50 cents. Maybe I can just like, you know, get more of this and then, yeah, just fill it up. We'll just take more and then we'll go to the cashier and then we'll just remove some later when it hasn't hit the budget. Yeah? Okay, that's a good idea. What is this? Dinosaur eggs grow. So dinosaur is supposed to grow out of this egg. It's 150. I'll just get one. Harry Potter. The best thing for magic related items. 13.90. Let's just put it back. Alright, let's make payment. And then tell me how much I have left. Maybe I can just top up with all this perfume bomb. I have to make use of the $20 full range, right? Oh wait, I still have... Guys, I left 40 cents. I cannot buy one more. This is 50 cents. Okay, let's make payment.
No cash, go cashless because
Is-
of COVID.
Got money? Cut. Please, I can just scan. Maybe, can we add more? Just kidding.
Okay, now you can take the card already.
So now it's my turn, and I'm going to be buying stuff that's dinosaur themed and for $100.
Your time will start in 3, 2, 1.
The first dinosaur thing that I've seen so far is pretty big. It's $99.90. KIV, because Edna likes like a lot of things. They could be small, but she likes like a lot of small things. Oh, look at all these dinosaurs! Okay, this one's $12.90 per dinosaur. Okay, so Edna has 6 rabbits at home. I'm gonna buy her 6 dinosaurs, so one for each rabbit. And the duck one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 2 for the price of 1. Should I get this one instead? Nah, never mind, it's okay. I found it. Apparently this allows you to grow your own dinosaur. Or it has a dinosaur inside the egg. And this one is much cheaper.
Okay, Jen, you just reached the 5-minute mark.
Oh my gosh, I forgot there was a time. Do you all have a calculator? I need to do some math. My forte is shopping, not math. Haha. Skeleton fossils. Oh no, now I feel like buying this one instead. Okay, let's get different colors. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, there's more dinosaur things than I thought there would be. Oh, this is so cute. Aww. Can I buy this for myself? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna buy this because cockroaches are known to have existed a very, very long time ago. Not too sure if it's during the dinosaurs age, but I'll get one. I am done, and I'm keeping this with me because I'm gonna buy it for myself.
Jen, the queue is the other side.
Oh, sorry.
$98.60.
Very good. Thank you. No, but what do you mean?
I think she's a very bad magician. Okay, one thing I love about slime is, you have to poke your whole finger in there and you just fiddle around. Look at that.